Hello, good day, Miss. My name is Wulanuraini from AB47 International Class with my student ID 105012340147 and for the specialization in marketing. In this session, I want to explain my journal research entitled The Influence of Fashion Awareness on Hijab Fashion Consumption Among Hijabista in Bandung. And I have the keywords found on the journal that vertically squares fashion consumers, fashion knowledge, hijab fashion, hijabista, Islamic fashion, and clothing industry. And then next, the aim of this study is to examine the factors that influence fashion awareness and its impact on hijab fashion consumption among hijabista. And the research that the question focus on three things. First, what factor influence fashion awareness? Second, what motivates hijabista to buy fashionable hijabs? And third, how they combine global fashion trend with local and Islamic values. For the methodology, this study used a quantitative approach with a structured questionnaire analyzed using descriptive static, correlation, regression analysis, or SMART PLS. And then lastly, they expect findings that show the higher fashion awareness support by dressing style, motivation, uniqueness, and fashion knowledge encourage hijabista to express both their religious identity and modern lifestyle, blending global and local fashion trends. On this slide, I present the paper master of my research, the title that the influence of fashion awareness on hijab fashion consumption among hijabista in Bandung, and the author of this paper is myself, Wulanuraini, and the year of publication is 2025, and the journal name is Factor Influencing Fashion Consciousness and Hijab Fashion Consumption Among Hijabista. So the abstract this study examines the factor influencing fashion awareness and its impact on hijab fashion consumption among hijabista in Bandung using a quantitative approach or SMART PLS analysis. It explores how dressing style, motivation, uniqueness, and fashion knowledge shape fashion awareness, which encourage hijabista to creatively express both their religious identity and modern lifestyle by blending global and local fashion trends. So this is for the research design. First, for the research purpose, that hypothesis testing, and then for the type of investigation, causal relationship, and then for the research intervention, that observational, and then for the context of study plan, and then for the unit of analysis individual, and then for the sampling design non-probability sampling, and then for the time horizon one shot, and then for the measurement, that scale, and then last for the data collection method, that questionnaire. So this is the conceptual framework show that fashion awareness mediates the relationship between four factors, that dressing style, search of fashion knowledge, fashion motivation, and fashion uniqueness. These factors influence fashion consciousness, which then affect hijab fashion consumption. In simple terms, when hijabista are more motivated, fashion knowledgeable, and have a unique style, their fashion awareness increases and leading to higher hijab consumption. So this is for the variable A and B. First, for the variable A, that includes four sub-variables, that dressing style, search of fashion knowledge, fashion motivation, and fashion uniqueness. And then for the variable B is hijab fashion consumption, which measure hijabista tendency to buy trendy and fashionable hijab products. This study purposes three hypotheses. First, dress style, search of fashion knowledge, fashion motivation, and fashion uniqueness significantly influence the increase in fashion awareness among hijabista in Bandung. And then second, fashion awareness has a positive and significant effect on hijab fashion consumption among hijabista in Bandung. And then third, through fashion awareness, hijabista in Bandung integrate global fashion influence with local cultural and religious values in their hijab consumption. And then lastly, this slide explains how variable A is measured. Variable A includes dressing style, search of fashion knowledge, fashion motivation, and fashion uniqueness. Each of these sub-variables is measured using a questionnaire divided into 4 sections with 3 to 5 questions each, and then about 15 to 20 items in total. So, thank you for watching, Miss. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.